Quick tutorial on how to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix and a 3 by 3 matrix. Let's do it directly with this Casio scientific calculator, which is the FX991CW model. Look, I've already calculated the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix by hand, and I got -30. Now I'm going to show you how we can enter it into the calculator, and then I'll show you with a 3 by 3 matrix. All right, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is press here where it says Home. Once we're here, we're going to scroll until it says Matrix. Look, it's over here. See, here's Matrix. So we press where it says OK. Now, it says we have to press the Tools key so we can define the matrix. So we press this button. Look, this one right here. All right. Now let's define the matrix. In this case, for example, I'm going to say this is matrix A, so we press OK. Now we need to set the size. In this case, we have 2 rows and 2 columns, so we'll leave it just as it is. So we're just going to scroll down to where it says Confirm. And now, let's enter the matrix. We have a 3, we enter 6, and then we press Execute. Then a 7, press Execute, and finally a 4. Press Execute, and we hit OK. Now, we're going to go here where it says Catalog, and then where it says OK. Again, we click where it says OK, so it gives us these options. As you can see, Determinant appears down here, so we're going to scroll down to where it says Determinant. And again, we click OK.
Ahora, vamos a jalar.
Matrix A. It says Determinant there, but we need to put something inside the parentheses. So again, we click on Catalog. Again here, where it says OK, and we're going to select Matrix A. For this, we're going to scroll down and click OK. I want you to see that determinant of Matrix A already appears here, so we're just going to close the parenthesis. We click on Execute, and it's telling me that indeed, the determinant of this matrix is -3, the same result that I got in this simple procedure. But now, when we have a 3 by 3 matrix, look at how the procedure turns out. It's not that simple anymore. It's a bit longer. So, in order for us to do it directly with the calculator, we're going to repeat the same process. So, let's see. Let's erase so we can do it. From the beginning, we agreed that once we're in the matrix, we're going to press here where it says Tools, right? So we press it. But since I already have Matrix A defined, now I'm going to select Matrix B. Then we press OK. Now, since I have a matrix that's 3 by 3, we're going to change the number of rows and the number of columns. So we press OK, and here we're going to select 3 rows done. Now we go down to where it says Columns and do the same. We're going to select 3 columns. We click on Execute, and now we have the space to enter our matrix. By the way, in this case, the determinant I got was -18. Let's see if we get the same result. So we enter the elements, which are 2, then 3, then 5. Notice that I'm always pressing Execute to enter the next element. Then it's -2. Then 0. Then 1 next is 4. After that, we have a 2. And finally, we have a -1. We press Execute and then Execute again. Again, we go to Catalog, where it says Matrix, then where it says Matrix Calc. And now we're going to go to where it says Determinant. But now we're going to select Matrix B, right? Because it's the 3x3 matrix, which is the one we just entered. So we click here on Catalog, again, here where it says OK, and we're going to select it. We click OK. And that's it. We close the parenthesis and hit Execute. It's telling me that the determinant of matrix B is -18, which is exactly the same number I got. And that's it. We're done. If you want me to keep making more tutorials like this, where I teach you how to use the Casio scientific calculator, specifically this one, the 991CW, please let me know down below in the comments. See you next time. Take care. Take good care of yourself and behave. Bye.